Okay, today we have teeho smart lock. Okay, let's bring the box. To teeho smart lock, bought it for $33 from Amazon. People, they say it's good. Let's see. We're gonna install it very quick, very fast. It took me 20 minutes. What we have this part. It goes inside the door, and this part, and the lock part, and we have two large screws. Okay, let's start with this one. I already removed the lock. We put it down like this. It goes here like this. Up. Okay. This goes down. Boom.